What is up, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. Today's video we're going to explore the Minimalist Home Gym. The idea of this series is we take one piece of equipment and we see how well we can train our full body, as well as how space efficient is it and how cost effective is it. So we're going to start this series off with the dumbbells, and although I'm going to show you the new bells, adjustable dumbbells, they're absolutely great. New Bells provided them to me, but they cost 1,100 euros. If you have the budget, you really should go with them. But you can also use some hand-me-down dumbbells that you got from your dad or from your uncle, and everything in between is also great. We're just going to look at the dumbbell as a piece of equipment, not what kind of dumbbell you should get. Why do we start this series? Well, obviously, there are a lot of people who want to start training. There are some hurdles that they have to overcome. One, you can't just buy a full-fledged home gym out of the bat. That would either cost too much. So if you want to start with something, then maybe this series will pinpoint for you that something. Or you want to just see if there's something for you and you want to try it out with one piece of equipment, or you have a minimal budget or a minimum amount of space, so you need just one item that you can do a lot with, and dumbbells is, spoiler alert, definitely one of those. So although the prices can range from $0 all the way up to 1,100, there will always be something for you to choose. If we're talking about space savings, these dumbbells, the new bells, they take up around 70 by 60 centimeters if you include the stand. If you just put the dumbbells on the floor, they take up 60 centimeters by 40 centimeters. So not a lot of space needed. Now, let's explore what the exercises are per muscle group, what we can do, so that you can see whether or not we have a big exercise selection, and know that these exercises are what, in my opinion, are the best ones out there. In this series, we're also going to explore in further videos sandbags, maces, kettlebells, barbells, pull-up bars, all of that good stuff. But today we're going to focus just on dumbbells. And let's start with the chest. And one caveat already with the chest is that we're not going to add benches, because that would mean we have two pieces of equipment. So no, we're going to use things we have laying around in the house. Maybe a block of wood, maybe something to elevate you on like a couch or a pillow. Whatever we find in the house we can use, but no other gym equipment. So let's start with the chest. For the chest, I have floor presses. So basically you lie on the floor, you press from there. That is great to build that upper chest and some triceps. Then what we can do is chest flies. For that you might need a pillow to elevate you a little bit to get some more range of motion, but for chest, I feel like this is already a lot. Now, for the back, we can do rows. We can do renegade rows, where we're basically in a plank position. We can do reverse flies. That is something we can do standing. And then we have a pullover. Maybe we can do that on a cushion. For legs, I recommend the squat. Goblet squat will be your best bet. You could also do squats from side to side to add a little bit of adductors and glutes into the mix. You can also do lunges. You can go forward or backwards, or you can do walking lunges also forward or backwards. We can do a split squat, elevate your back foot and just squat like that, and you're going to build already a great set of legs. Now, if you want to go for the posterior chain, what I recommend are deadlifts. You can do deadlifts just with one dumbbell or with two dumbbells, one leg or two legs. You can do glute bridges, you can do Romanian deadlifts, a lot of exercises that can get you already a long way. For the shoulders, I recommend the shoulder press. That's a great one to build your front delts and your triceps. You could also do side raises. That could also be something that's for you. If we're going to talk about triceps, we do tricep extensions. That could be with one hand, that could be with two hands, and that is also a great tricep builder. As it comes to biceps, you have all kinds of curls. You have your concentration curl, you have your hammer curl, your regular curl, all of that good stuff. So that is going to build you some big ass biceps. Then you can do some accessory exercises. That is something I like to keep for the back of my shoulders, like some external rotations lying on the floor, or you can do some Cuban rotations. That's also great to train your scapula and your rear delts. So you can see this is not an inclusive list. I also don't want to throw too much exercises in your face, because with this and the principle behind strength, you can get already a long way. And what I mean with this is that basically we want to use a dumbbell to strengthen ourselves, to build some muscle, and to be an overall better, stronger human being. And the principle of getting stronger or to build muscle is basically progressive overload. Every session or every week you try to do better. That's by either adding weight, adding sets, or reps to the exercise. And by doing so, you will have more volume into your body, you will get stronger, and you get awesome gains. We're not going to go into programming. Try to get your full body in one session, select some exercises, and you can go already a long way. You don't have to complicate things. I want you to get started with something, build a habit, have minimal home gym equipment to get started, and you will be happy that you embarked on this journey. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. I hope you're eager to see what we have next in the installment of the Minimalist Home Gym series, because I am very stoked on this series. I think it will help a lot of people. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you want to see, what your reactions are, whatever. I want to know. I want some feedback. Put it in the comment section below. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace out.